Hey guys, my name is Nate Hibbert. I run the Wingman Merch crew over on Facebook with my brother Steven. This is just a clip from one of our shows. If you'd like to catch one of the shows live or join the community, click the link below and that'll take you over to the Facebook group. And Steven's been running ads on Amazon for a few years now and has a lot of information and knowledge on just how to do it. And do you want to talk about your experience with what's been going on the last couple of days?
Yes. I guess I more just want to talk about like a cautionary tale. So let me preference this whole thing with I have been selling online for probably 13 years. I've run ads on many different platforms. Amazon being a large platform and adding AMS as a separate division and then adding it to Amazon through Seller Central and then adding it to KDP, it kind of made sense that they were going to add it to merch. I don't know why they made the name change quite like that, but I do want to just tell everybody, if you're thinking about running ads as a way to start selling shirts, it's not necessarily a fix for a broken system or not being able to sell shirts. So don't see Amazon and running ads as like, oh, this now is the way that I'm going to be able to sell shirts. Because from my many years of selling online, running ads without understanding what you're really doing is a big waste of money. So I just want to really caution everybody, if you're going to set up ads, definitely have a budget. Try to stay very true to your budget and understand whatever you're going to be spending this money on is going to be information, just learning the whole platform of information on AMS or whatever they're going to eventually call it, which we believe is Amazon advertisements. That's kind of what they say right now, but it seems like that name might change again. But to just understand the platform and then understand when you run ads, what data you're getting back and how can I apply that data. We call that optimizing kind of in-house. I think that's might be what a lot of people call it, but something that we are definitely going to address. We, I guess, technically can run ads, but it's because of the amount of accounts that we have, we don't know which account is tied to which AMS account is tied to which merch account. So that's our current in-house problem that we're trying to deal with. But again, all of that to say, do not take Amazon ads as a way to throw money at a problem. Find out what the problem is, fix the problem, make sure you're selling shirts first before running an ad. And I would very much caution people to say, before I even run ads on any shirts, let me pick my best shirt and see if I run ads, if I'll get more sales, because then you'll be able to gather the information to go, okay, this is what I put, these are the keywords that were used, and this is what's driving my traffic to my shirt to get sales. How do I now apply that information to this listing? Then once you kind of tweak that and get that working, then you can run ads on other shirts that are selling slower. And then only then, from gathering that information and applying and optimizing your listing, then I would attempt to run ads on shirts that are not selling. But again, it's very easy to spend a lot of money and not understand what you're doing. So that was my kind of suggestion to do it, only coming from experience. We have spent a lot of money on ads. I guess on Amazon, it's always been like a slow build, but we did try Facebook ads before without fully understanding and having an idea and spent a lot of money over there. Instagram, there's other things that we spent a lot of money on and didn't fully know what we were doing. And from our experience, I would say whenever you run ads, pick something that you know kind of works and then put money behind it instead of going the other way. Oh, I don't really know. I'm going to just throw money at this. In our experience, that does not work at all. So that just, I want to leave that out there as a cautionary tale. Be very careful. Definitely have a budget. Definitely stick to the budget. Start with something that's already working and seeing if you can improve that.
From my standpoint, if I was doing this business by myself, I wouldn't even be attempting to run ads right now. If you don't understand running ads on Amazon at all, I would not say now is the time to try and educate yourself on it. Just from how confusing getting an account is, and even some of the like reports that Steven's getting for other stuff they're running ads on, not matching up with what's being run on the merch side of things. Like everything just seems a kind of haywire behind the scenes. So my personal opinion would just be like, if you don't know Amazon ads, don't try to educate yourself now. You're probably just going to throw money at something and not even be able to get the education out of it. I would wait a couple of months. Hopefully they have things figured out before Christmas, so we can teach you guys how to get some of those Christmas sales. But we're being attentive, seeing what's going on, trying to learn as much as possible, and we'll let you guys know when we have more information on that.